Welcome everybody to another at-home video, kind of showing things of what I'm doing out here before I go back from vacation and eventually come out and do this full-time, which is probably about 30 days from about 7 days from now. So about a month and a half. God, my math sucks. At the moment, I'm over here at Disney. Well, what used to be Disney, Celebration, Florida, charging Experiment 626, which is sitting right in there. Now, lately, I've been picking up a lot of people from Disney, a lot of employees, you know, going to and from the park, going to and from work. And a lot of them have requested certain things during the rideshare process, like things that they could use, because I do make little swag bags for people that I give rides to. Usually drinks. I got like bottles of water in the ice chest down here. But one of the things that keeps coming up, karaoke. I'd never thought karaoke was that popular. I never thought about it even when I travel overseas. I never really think about karaoke. But all my passengers back there, they always bring it up. You should have karaoke. Rick, you should have karaoke. So that's just what I did. I downloaded Disney's karaoke with like 80 songs on it, all Disney classics. It has been viewed more than 5 million times, so it's got to be good, right? It works amazing. I'm putting an iPad in the back, hanging it right off the back seat here. It's not there yet. At the moment, today, they're just going to have the music. They're not going to be able to see the words because it's going to be on my phone. Well, more than likely, yeah, I'll run maps on my Android Auto and then words up there. And because I am a YouTuber, I thought about why not Nomadic Hippies rideshare karaoke. So I mounted a camera up there to capture the people in the back seat singing away. I think it's going to be a pretty fun playlist. So, you know, they've been asking for it. I'm giving it to them. And as long as they're willing to be on camera, they can karaoke to their heart's content. And I'm going to make a whole new playlist of Disney employees, either in costume, not in costume, just picking them up en route to the Magic Kingdom or Epcot or Animal Kingdom, wherever they're going. And if they want to sing, it's going to be on camera. As a matter of fact, I just picked up Elsa from Frozen and took her over to SeaWorld. And she wanted to practice even without all the setup. I just play the music. She could practice singing without the camera. And it's amazing. So I am planning on doing this now. I'm ready. I just need to get my wireless mic set up to the Osmo Action. And I'm going to put the microphone in the back. And they can just have a good go at it. And hopefully you guys will tune in for that. It'll be fun. Anyway, so right now I'm charging, like I said, getting karaoke set up. And I'm going to go out and make some money tonight. And just have a good go at it. And maybe in a little bit, go have something to eat. And who knows, maybe even find a roadside attraction or something to shoot video of. It's all up in the air. Everything is up in the air. Let's unplug the car and go see what we could find. All right, I figured it out. I know what I'm going to do. I know how I'm going to start today's video. I think I'm going to start it with a little ice cream. It's hot outside. My car is charging. I got money to make, but there's always time for ice cream. And one of my favorite ice cream parlors is just down the street here in Celebration. And I'm going to take you guys along to see what it's like to get a milkshake and possibly learn how to make a waffle cone. I swear, there was just a turtle down. Oh, there he is. Oh, no, one underwater. There is a lot of turtles in here, along with alligators. I just seem to see a lot more turtles than alligators, but they're camera shy. Hello. Celebration Wildlife. So for those of you that come to Disney in Central Florida and you guys want to try this amazing ice cream parlor, it is pretty much directly in front of the fountains. Right next to the old movie theater that no longer runs movies. Sundaes, chocolates, and ice cream can all be found here at Kilwins. Okay, I was told by a good source, actually somebody that works here behind the counter, that I am going to be able to show you guys today exactly how waffle cones are made. This is the flavor I normally get, but it looks like they are empty. So the milkshake of the day for me is marshmallow s'mores. Yeah, I wanted to record making the things today, but I don't think it's going to happen. Maybe next week. Right now, though, I could zoom in on you making my milkshake. Be prepared. Is this a hard job too? Is it as hard as making waffle cones? Do you strain more? She's ignoring me. So they're just too busy today to do this, but so maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll come in and show you guys how they do this. It's actually pretty interesting. But at least I get to walk out of here with my milkshake and possibly some other goodies. Yeah, so even though I didn't get to show you that today, I will be back tomorrow to do it. I just talked to him off camera. But at least I got my milkshake, my car should be charged, and I'm ready to get to work and possibly find an adventure that rivals this amazing fountain. Well, like the word said at the beginning of my video, things changed. They change like the days of our lives. And oh, how they changed. Yeah, so I was out recording video, getting ready to do some gig work. Sorry about any noise. My microphone's probably picking up. Engine's running back there. Everything was going splendid. I got my car karaoke, everything set up, got swag bags for everybody that rides in the car, getting ready to start a whole new playlist of rideshare karaoke where I'd be driving down the road and people in the back seat would be singing away and posting those videos. But I got a phone call from work, and they said, "Hey, would you mind coming back? We need somebody to do a run up to Tennessee." And me loving the company, I mean, yeah, I want to change everything and start doing that other stuff. But there's something to be said when you work with a really good company and amazing people. Sometimes you just got to be there for them because they've been a part of your life forever. So I said, yeah, sure, why not? So I parked the car, said bye to everybody, stuff stuck in the truck, the dogs, the animals, cat. I left cat at home because I am going back. But so I just grabbed like 2 or 3 t-shirts, 2 or 3 underwear, some swim trunks, and headed out. And yeah, I was all excited, but things change. Sometimes you just, I'm trying to become that person that can just go with the flow. You know what I'm saying? Go with the flow. But we were looking for adventure today. This is adventure, but I found something else that is even more adventurous. So when I got back out here on the road, I came up here. I'm in Georgia right now. I'm in Georgia still, I think. And I went into this little truck stop, and look what I found, man. You guys look at that. If it'll focus. Hold on 1 second. Let's fix this. Okay, thank you, Sony, for having product showcase. So let's try this again. Ready? Would you look what I found in the store? Product showcase, fire it up. Reese's peanut butter cup cupcakes. Oh my God, right? Look how awesome it does. My face blur? Oh, it does. See, product showcase is awesome. What? Focus? Not focus. Focus? Not focus. Oh, I can't wait to try that in the car karaoke. Anyway, so because I am back out on the road, I'll be back out here until the 11th. And today is, what's my watch say? I think today's the 5th. So I'll be back out here on the road until the 11th, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 6 days. I got to go from here up to Minnesota and then back to Florida. So, and then I am going to come back out here for 21 more days because I'm trying to blend my life I just don't want to jump right in like a box or something like that. I just kind of want to blend everything together so it all works good. I just don't want a bunch of surprises. Even though surprises when you're changing your life is exciting, sometimes they cause anxiety and stuff like that. And now I'm not exactly sure what anxiety is and all this other stuff. I know a lot of people that have it, and I know I don't want it. So in my mind, the best way to do things is kind of just slowly start to merge and blend everything together. Kind of like what I'm going to do with these cupcakes and this coffee. Coffee is ready to go. So let's open this up and I'll end today's video because I was not expecting to have to come out right now. It was like spur of the moment. I was at Disney the other day with Sandra, Steph stuck in a truck, Rashawn and myself. And I was just having a good time and I was not expecting to have to do this. So this is what the product looks like out. Let's tilt the gimbal down a little bit, nice and slow here. There you guys go. Let's see if we could zoom in on these a little. Oh, I'm gonna have to adjust the gimbal. Okay, here we go. Zoom in on those cupcakes. Would you look at them fancy things? Yummers, right? All right, as I am tasting one of these for the first time, let me know. Are you the type of person that just jumps into things, life-changing things? Some things like spur of the moment things like, oh, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Let's drive to Las Vegas tonight. Or in my case, the Keys, at 4 in the morning. Let's just go, get out of bed. Let's go. Or I'm talking about like career-changing, life-changing, downsizing from a home to something else. Are you guys that type of spur of the moment thing, or do you think it's bad? And are you afraid once you get comfortable in a career and in a job, are you afraid to just like go for the gusto and just go for it? Because eventually I'd like to make YouTube my full-time gig. This, Uber Eats, Lyft, DoorDash, blah, blah, blah. Love to do that. And I'm working towards it. But some people, they just like, I'm quitting my job. I'm going to do this. And then a year later, it's like those people that win the lottery money. They win $1 billion on the lottery. 12 months later, they're broke because they just spent everything, bought 50 mansions and a bunch of cars. And where did the money go? Where did that $1 billion go? I don't want to be that person. All right, so first bite. Let me swirl some coffee here because I want the coffee Reese's peanut butter cupcake flavor to kind of blend together. But first I have to clean that palate with that coffee flavor. Okay, here we go. Going in. Okay. Professional food reviewer here. It didn't taste like a Reese's peanut butter cup at first. It tasted like a peanut butter cup with filling, I don't know if you guys can see that filling in there. It's I think that's what, it doesn't taste like peanut butter, but it does taste peanut buttery, kind of like a Reese's peanut butter cup without the peanut butter. It's a frosting. I don't know where you're getting that flavor from, because these toppings, I don't believe those really have any flavor except for candy flavor. So it could be in the frosting. I think most of the flavor comes from the frosting. Let's see. Could be wrong. That's where the flavor comes from, is the frosting on top. The internal frosting just tastes like regular frosting. It doesn't have any, special flavors. But it does, if you let it sit for a minute. Not a minute, maybe about 6 or 7 seconds, the Reese's peanut butter stuff flavor starts to come out. Not bad. It was a nice surprise. I'd like to see a Captain Crunch cupcake. Ooh, that'd be good. Anyway, guys, sorry about this video. I really hope that everything kind of smooths out a little bit in the future, and I think it will. it's just really hard to do certain things, especially when you've been 30 years of your life were focused on one thing. Changing 30 years in a couple weeks is kind of hard. So you just gotta kind of go with it, and eventually life happens, life changes, right? And I would like to just go for it. I'm just not brave enough. What takes some people days may take me a month, maybe 2 months. Don't know. I mean, it's gonna happen, but I like to kind of prep a little. Anyway, until the next time, I'm gonna go ahead and chow down on this, drink that coffee, and I gotta go up to Nashville and then up to Minnesota and then back to Florida. And so I'll see you guys en route. If I find anything interesting to pull over and shoot, I will. So until the next time, with a cupcake in hand, here, let's try this. Let's set the cupcake down. You're gonna want to go to the store and get one of these now, aren't you? Peace out, everybody.